Let's go to Ron in Frostproof, Florida. Ron, you're on News Talk WDBO. Go ahead.
Anyway, started the beginning late November, early December. I was in downtown Frostproof taking my dog for a walk, and as I walked past this house, I heard these dogs barking, and I looked across the street, and I saw a beware of dog, and a very large gray dog and a small dog. And they continued to run towards me. The large dog forced open the gate and ran across the street. As the dog approached, I was concerned about the safety of my dog, so I reached down to pick up the dog. And when I did, the big dog lunged at me, and I turned anyway. I fell to the sidewalk, cut both my elbows, my knee, and at that point, I was in fear for my life. So as I turned over to try to get back to the ground, the large dog just stood there. It didn't try to bite me. It just knocked me down. So anyway, I called animal control, and they met with me twice. And I went. The owners were cited for having the dog on the loose. And 2 days later, my left ankle began to bother me where I couldn't walk on it.
Okay,
so I went to the emergency room.
Ron, what is your question to me? What is your question to me, Ron?
Anyway, I sent the owners a letter requesting reimbursement for medical expenses. I sent 2 of them, and I've been ignored.
Okay.
So what do I do to get my money?
Well, Ron, first of all, they have absolute liability to you. No ifs, ands, or buts. They owe you for your damages, whether it's just hospital bills or whether it's beyond that going into personal injury damages. They are liable to you. Ron, they have homeowners insurance, which is probably going to cover their damages. And so they would be foolish to not turn this notice from you over to their insurance company and let the insurance company deal with you. If they're ignoring you and not passing it on to their insurance company, then that's a basis for their insurance company to deny coverage to them. So, Ron, what do you think the total damages are for you?
Oh, my medical expenses is about $88, but
okay.
It's the whole thought behind it. That I also have a concealed carry, and I had my weapon on the dog, and the only reason I didn't kill it is it didn't attack further.
Well, for some reason, I thought that part was coming, Ron. That would have been an interesting twist to this whole story. So, Ron, they owe you $88. If this is important to you, then you would pursue this in small claims court, Ron. There's no ifs, ands, and buts that I think you would be entitled to $88 plus your court costs.